lavender and stress away right here. And I might add a little bit of tangerine, well, which I'm getting low on that one too. All right, I think those are the three I like to use. So let's go ahead and get our last bottle. I'm gonna put tangerine. Okay, one drop is good there. And do some Valor. Right here, Valor. There you go. Okay, can't have that one go to waste, so I'm going to apply it to the back of my neck here. All right. Look how beautiful this oil is. Valor has a main ingredient of blue tansy. See the color blue? This, folks, is not artificial red red number 40 or blue number 10. This is the real deal. This is how essential 100% pure product you get right here. Look at the cap from blue tansy. It smells wonderful. All right, next up, lavender. And we're gonna put also pipette on that one. Put a couple drops there. Okay, apply it to my neck. Nothing goes to waste here in this house, I can tell you that. Been using the oils for over 14 years. Pretty much for everything in my daily life. And some stress away. Let's see how much we got here. Okay. Alright, let's see here. With this one, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of carrier oil in there. There we go. Alright. Let's get our topper. Right here. And we're going to put this part in here on the top, on the cap, so it doesn't spill, gives it a little more support. And then here we go, our third sample. And we're going to go ahead and mail these three bottles out to my friend. Hopefully we can go ahead and support her and give her some support.